What's up, everyone? I was thinking about it, and 3D printing actually isn't that hard. So, as long as you have a 3D printer, here are the 4 steps to 3D printing. Let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is go to Cura. Should be the first thing that comes up when you type it in. Download it, and once you go onto it, just click on the basic settings for whatever your 3D print is. Okay, so step number 2, go to Thingiverse. Type on whatever design you want. It doesn't matter what it is. Most printers can do almost any print with the correct settings. So, like you see, I downloaded it. It's in my file. We're gonna head on over to Cura. So when you get on, just make sure it's the size you want, and then go to whatever infill you want. Most prints can do 20% and be completely fine. Make sure you're 100% sure you have supports if they're needed. Wait for it to finish. So it's going to take about 45 minutes for this print. Put in your little microchip, micro SD card. And you can see it. Go to save to removable drive. Mine's called Grayskull. Okay, eject it. Put it into your printer. Tap on the main button. Go to print from TF. Select on the print that you want. And it should start heating up. It should heat up, be done within like 5 minutes. Okay, so there it goes printing. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by middle of January, hopefully. Hopefully quicker, that would be nice. There you can see it's printing. It didn't really need any supports, but just in case, it was nice to just press it, just in case you need it. There he is, isn't he cute little dragon? See, so 3D printing actually isn't that hard. Well, hope you have a great day. Have a Merry Christmas. See you next time.